Welcome to Speed Finance Channel, home of financial remedy. Are you looking for life-changing finance advice that will help you make better financial decisions? We've got you covered. In this video, we'll be exploring 8 pieces of personal finance advice that can truly transform your finances and your life. Before we get started, please like, comment, and subscribe so as not to miss any of our future videos. 1. You are never too young or too old to start saving. Saving is a critical component of personal finance and should be a priority in your budget. Saving money is essential for having a secure financial future, no matter what age you are. It's never too early to start setting money aside, and even if you are in your later years, there are still saving strategies that you can use. The key to successful saving is to start small and build up over time. If you're younger, put aside a portion of your earnings each month, even if it's just a small amount. Aim to save at least 10% of your income each month, and consider increasing that amount over time as your income grows. Even if you're older and have limited resources, you can still save by finding ways to reduce your expenses, like making meals at home or shopping for cheaper brands. 2. Insurance. Having proper insurance is essential to protecting yourself from potential financial disasters. Even if you have a steady income and your finances are in order, a serious accident or illness could still set you back. This is why it's important to consider getting the right kind of personal advice on the type of insurance that's best for you and your family. The most basic types of insurance you should consider are health, auto, home, life, and disability. Health insurance is necessary to help cover medical costs and often offers other benefits such as prescription drug coverage and preventive care. Auto insurance protects you financially if you cause an accident, and home insurance helps protect your property. Life insurance is important to help provide for your loved ones in the event of your death. And disability insurance provides an income stream in the event of an accident or illness that leaves you unable to work. 3. Automate your finances. One of the best pieces of personal advice when it comes to managing your money is to automate your finances. Automation takes the stress and worries out of ensuring that you pay your bills on time and helps you stay organized. By automating your finances, you are also able to track your spending and budget more effectively. To automate your finances, start by setting up an automatic savings plan. This way, money is deducted from your paycheck and deposited into a savings account each month. You can also set up automated payments for all of your bills, so you don't have to worry about forgetting or missing any payments. Automating your finances also helps you avoid late fees. Many banks offer auto-pay options that allow you to make payments on time without having to remember to do it manually. This can help you save money in the long run by avoiding those pesky late fees. 4. Avoid impulse spending. This personal advice should be at the top of your list when it comes to personal finance. Impulse spending can quickly get out of hand and cause more financial hardship than good. It's important to have a plan for your money and stick to it. Make sure you have an emergency fund and make sure to save for retirement and other important goals. Ask yourself if you really need it or if it is just something you want. The power of the moment may tell you that you need it, but if you wait and come back to the thought later, you will realize it was an impulse purchase. 5. Save for retirement now. Retirement may seem far away, but it is important to start saving for it now. The earlier you begin, the more time you have for your savings to grow. Retirement planning is a personal matter that requires a tailored approach to meet your specific goals and needs. Start by determining how much you'll need to save each month to reach your retirement goals, and consider starting a 401k or IRA to help you save. You may also want to consider working with a financial advisor to create a comprehensive retirement plan that takes into account your current and future expenses, as well as your goals and risk tolerance. 6. Have an emergency fund. One of the most important pieces of personal advice you can receive is to have an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial cushion that can be used in the event of an unexpected expense or loss of income. It can help you stay afloat during times of financial hardship and prevent you from going into debt. To get started, set a goal for how much money you want to save, then create a budget and start setting aside a portion of your income each month to reach that goal. You should aim to have at least 3 months' worth of expenses saved in an emergency fund, but more is even better. Once you reach your goal, make sure to replenish the fund if you dip into it. 7. Tax planning. Tax planning is an important aspect of personal finance, and seeking out personal advice is essential for making sure you get the most out of your tax return. You need to be aware of any deductions or credits that you may be eligible for and take advantage of them to save money. Tax planning also includes understanding the impact of tax withholding from your paycheck, capital gains from investments, and knowing the best time to sell investments in order to limit the taxes due. 8. Avoiding scams. One of the most important pieces of personal advice that everyone should follow is to be aware of the potential risks associated with financial scams. Scams are designed to target people who are unaware of the consequences or are desperate to make money quickly. It is important to remember that if something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. It's essential to always do your research before entering into any sort of financial agreement or investment opportunity. Additionally, never give out any personal information, such as bank account numbers, social security numbers, or passwords to anyone over the internet. In conclusion, by following these principles of personal finance, you can take control of your finances, achieve financial stability and independence, and secure your financial future. Remember, personal finance is a journey, and it's important to be patient and consistent in your efforts. Keep learning and seeking out new information and resources, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe.